This is another function associated with the list. You know, we can we may need to sum up the elements in a list, and the right function to use in a case like this is the sum function. The sum functions sum up or return the summation of all the elements in the list passed to it as an argument. If the list passed to it as an argument contains strings, it returns concatenation of all the strings. We have done about concatenation, that is combinations, combining and all these things, and usually ordinarily we use the plus operator to perform concatenation, if you can remember, and in case you forget, you can refer to the previous video on concatenation, string concatenation. Okay, so the sum function returns the summation of all the elements in the list passed to it as an argument. So let's look at example. Sum is called here in this example. Sum is called with the argument of a list of numbers containing 2 and 4, and the output is 6. We all know that summation of 2 and 4 is 6. Okay, the output is 6, and this is example 2. The sum function is called with an argument of a list containing 3, 2 and 4, and the output is 10. We all know that summation of 3, 2 and 4 is 10. And this is example 3, which is going to be the last example. The sum function is called with a list of 4 numbers, 10, 20, 30 and 40, and the output is 100. If you can't sum up in your head, you can touch your calculator. Summation of 10, 20, 30 and 40 is 100, at least according to the computer. And thank you.